everyone. My name's Mitschke.
I'm Charlie Mitschke.
I'm Jason Mitschke.
So we currently are operating a 4th generation dairy farm. Our great grandpa, and then my dad, myself, and then this is the 4th generation here. So I farm with my brother Fred and my cousin Mike. Our dad and uncle are still involved in the farm somewhat, not so much in the dairy side of things, but so we farm predominantly purebred Holsteins. We have some purebred Jersey, and then we have some Jersey Holstein cross and some Swiss Holstein cross. One of our highest producers currently. She's giving about 25 kilograms of milk per milking, which is obviously 50 a day. An average cow will give between 35 and 40 kilograms of milk per day. The milk goes from the whey jar here straight out of the cow. It gets filtered and goes into a cooling bulk tank in our milk house. And then every second day a tanker comes and picks up the milk and takes it to the plant in usually Saskatoon. There's one plant in Saskatchewan and then there's 2 in Manitoba. But some of our milk goes to Brandon, some of it goes to Saskatoon, where it then gets pasteurized and then processed, put into the jugs you get at home, or else butter, buttercream, ice cream, cheese. So for cow calves today, we would take the calf from her, and then they come into these little individual pens to prevent any kind of any disease spread, and then they get fed milk in bottles twice a day or once per milking. And cow lactation is 365 days a year, so we milk them for 300 days ideally, and then they get a 60-day holiday or dry off period.
Yeah, that's the cleaner. Like,
she's not real good on the morning shift. 4:30 a.m. we start.
How many times do you milk a day?
We milk twice a day, so 4:30 in the morning we start, and then 4:30 p.m. So we milk about 12 hours apart. The cows perform best when everything is constant. Their feed is constant, milking times are constant. These are 2 of our baby calves. This one on my right, or your left, is a purebred Holstein, and the one on my left is a Swiss Holstein cross. we love our farm. We love our animals. I love the work ethic. I love working with my family. It's a family operation. Owning a dairy is a unique thing to have these days. There used to be over 300 dairies in Saskatchewan, and now there's less than half of that. And especially in our area, it's a very rare thing. So whenever I see the Sask Milk logo, I have a lot of pride in what we do and how hard we work on our operation.
For me, I really just love the animals, loving to know where my food's coming from, getting to learn how we create food and how we just branch out into all these other amazing things. And yeah, like I love being with my family. And yeah, it's just a really cool thing to be a part of. It's a cool thing to watch these animals and create this bond with nature that I don't think you can get many other places.
I like being a farmer because we get to be around family and the animals lots, and we take lots of pride in feeding the world here. And I like the taste of milk.
Drink milk.
Drink milk.
I like farming just to be with the cows, and I just like, I don't know, it just gives you something to do. It's really fun. You'd be surprised how fun it is. I also like learning all the stuff about the farm. And I like driving all the farm equipment and learning the ropes of how to do it and learning how to grow a correct crop and stuff like that.